Good day. This is the old one and the new shifter interlock is arrived. So this is the issue. The bowler, but it's assembly. We cannot find the bowler only. This is the main common issue of this car. 2020, 2021, 2022 Silverado, Sierra, 2019 also. See, they have no bowler there. Okay, God bless. After replacing shifter interlock, we will try to shift park into the reverse and neutral, drive mode, and L. And after that, L2, L3, L4, L5, L6. This is 6 gear. So we will reduce this one and drive mode and reverse and drive and park. Okay, nice job after replacing shifter interlock.